Every great idea starts small, in a garage, with a vision and a system built by hand. From those early days to the system riders trust today. Engineered, refined. This is Bolted On. So after years of searching, hauling big bikes, small bikes, dirt bikes, e-bikes, pit bikes, I finally found the right system, the perfect system, the best system, the Bolted On system. I have used this system this season over 12,000 miles in the back of this Momentum toy hauler, and I can confidently tell you this is the best modular system I have ever used. Or the biggest advantage of using the Bolted On system, it's toolless design. Bolted On is completely toolless. No wrenches, no sockets, no digging for a chainsaw. All right, so these are what hold the support bar. They go on the outside. Let's get them locked in with the J-hooks. Now we simply hook the J-hooks to the floor, run them through the bar, and screw them down. So the first one I want to cover is the saddle chock, and it's my favorite. It's for big bikes. Scott tells me this is great with the cruiser crowd, the big touring crowd. I have used it for my KTM 890 Adventure R. The last one I'll cover briefly is this offset chock. Now, if you think about it, and if you have a dirt bike, maybe a pit bike in the middle or another dirt bike in the middle, you want to push that front tire back so that 3 sets of handlebars aren't touching. That this system, or the components of this system, you can use them in the back of your pickup truck. That's right. Talk about super simple. Maybe you're hauling somewhere and you want to take your dirt bikes, say, to Slick Rock in Moab, and you don't want to ride. You simply pull the chocks out, put them in the back of your truck, in your Bolted On system that's in the back of your truck. I'll explain that in a second, and you're good to go. If you haul motorcycles, if you haul e-bikes, if you haul anything really that needs tied down, this is a system for you.